Very good morning, guys. It's 5 o'clock. I woke up about 3 o'clock. I watched Man City game. I'm going to hiking with my friends. Stay tuned, man. I'm having my breakfast now. This is my breakfast. I'm gonna eat 1 spoon pure honey. Usually I have eggs and also fruit, but I have 2 bananas left, so yeah. I have to write about like 20 minutes, I guess. They are waiting for me, my friend. Let's go somewhere. And asked me to come in Kapong 6 o'clock. Before 6 o'clock, I'm here 5 I'm waiting for him now. They're coming down. It's late, so I'm praying Fajr first, because prayer is the important things in this world. So kita dah sampai dekat sini, our trekking point. Lapar ke bang? Makan dulu ah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So our hiking does start. Let's go, brother. Man. Kalau ini awal memang susah lah, pagi-pagi. Tak nampak semua. What a wonderful view, man. Masya Allah, bro, sun kissing me. Hi. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Black coffee, let's go. Semua dah ada, ha? Masya Allah. Cheers, brother. Thank you, bang.
Alright.